Hindi, yung una, yung una. Bilis.
Sigara yun. Papasok na.
Please, you gotta save my little girl. Wait. You said an android?
All right, now, you need to go.
You can't do that. Why aren't you sending a real person?
I don't give a shit. Why did the radio snap? They just give the order.
Kawawa kami pag wala ng kuryente. Wala kaming tubig. Next month daw, 1 month na ang brown out.
Yes, Nay.
Kayo, pag walang kuryente, wala rin kayong tubig?
Eh, yes, Nay. Rinig kayo dito, Nay.
Ha?
Rinig kayo
My
dito.
name is Connor. I'm the android sent by
Basta may
Simon.
nag-iigay pag wala kayong tubig.
Hindi ko alam.
It's smarter than everything we use. We already shot down 2 flying aircraft. We could easily get it if they're on the edge of the mountain. If it falls, it should fall the same.
Do you know its name?
I haven't got a clue. Does it matter?
I need information to determine the best approach. Have you tried its deactivation?
It's the first thing we tried. Listen. Say what
Hindi pala ako naglagay ng salita.
So you deal with this fucking android now. I'll take care of it.
Ay, binibigyo pa lang.
Hindi, punta ka na dun sa ano, sa taas. Ikaw may bata. Diyan na, tignan mo na yung sa taas. Saka sa taas.
All units in positions. Machines moving in.
I-pause mo nga muna.